Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a trusted contact to your account on the Uber application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the page, scroll down and tap on the safety toolkit option. Click on add a trusted contact, tap on add trusted contact. Here you can tap on the this account or contact button in the upper right corner of the page, type in the name of your contact, the first name and then the surname. Here you can type in the phone number and click on the save button down below so that new contact will be added to your account. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.